Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some more subtraction work today. The first page that you're going to work on is homework 3-16. And this is very much like the page we did yesterday, where there are 3 subtraction problems on the top, and then there are a few word problems to solve. So I'd like you to use the same strategies we did yesterday. Underline the question it's asking you. Circle the important numbers in the problem and show your work on how you solved it. We also want to make sure that we have a label in our answer. So for example, the first one says, Susan found 329 pennies in a jar in the attic. She gave 175 of the pennies to her brother. How many pennies did she keep to herself? So we have to do 329 minus 175. So I will go ahead and do that problem. 9 take away 5, I can do that. That's 4. I could not do 2 minus 7, so I had to borrow and make that 2 a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 154. Now 154 what? Elephants? No, 154 pennies. So I have to write my label. So you will do that for the rest of these word problems. Now, on the back, it says 1-3 remembering. Here's what I would like you to do. X that page. We are not doing that one. So yes for this homework 3-16, no for the remembering 1-3. Instead, we're going to go to the next page, which involves doing more subtraction, but this time it's bumping it up to 4-digit. 4-digit is exactly the same as 3-digit. It's just one more number. So let me just show you an example. So in my example, I have 2,194 minus 1,527. So again, I'm always going to start over here, my ones, and I have 4 take away 7. Well, I can't do that, so I will go next door and borrow a 10. That 9 will turn into an 8, and the 4 will turn into 14. So 14 take away 7 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now I have 1 minus 5. Another big number on the bottom. So I'm going to go next door to the thousands and borrow 1,000. So that 100 is now going to turn into 1100s. 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0, or I could just say 667. So you will do the subtracting 4-digit numbers and the homework 3-16, and that will be your final math assignments for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.